Hey guys, what's up? Krystal here. Welcome to my channel. We are going to be doing a full face using natural makeup products that I have here. I don't have a complete full face of natural makeup products, so of course if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below for me. But I will be using everything that I have. So if you watched my last video, I did the unboxing and swatches of the Keeping It Natural Cosmetics lipsticks as well as cakes. So we will be using those today as multifunctional uses since I don't have a lot of natural makeup. And I'm also going to be talking about another brand as well that I found at Whole Foods. So let's just get started with the video. First things first, I normally start off with my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Cake Mascara in Dark Brown, and I'm going to be using this as a brow tint and possibly even a mascara or eyeliner. I'm not 100% too sure yet as what I want to do. And if you followed me in my last video, or if you saw my last video, you saw that these here have to be activated with water. You can try using it without water. I'm not too sure how that will work out, but I've seen and heard that with cakes you do have to use water to activate it. So I wet the spoolie as you saw, and I'm just going to go in. I think it's almost, I want to say it's kind of like on the warm side. Normally I don't prefer that. I prefer more cool tone browns. So I'm just going to take just a little bit of the black. Hopefully I don't screw myself doing this. And then I'm just going to take just a little bit of the black as well and kind of like mix it together to make it a little bit cooler toned. This, honestly, like the way that this is applying reminds me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. This stuff right here. I hope that it lasts better and everything. I don't really favor that particular brand because it smears and stuff. So I want to see like how this lasts, how it works and everything. But that color is better. I'm going to go ahead and take some more of the black and the brown to like get my perfect shade and go here on this side. So I'm hoping that it lasts a long time. I really haven't tried it like I said. I'm going to go straight into concealer. I've been using this here. This is the Mineral Fusion concealers, but the only thing I don't like about it is that there is a paraben in here, which is a certain chemical, and I don't like it. I can't even say it. It's very bad for your skin. I do know that like if it's under 2% it's supposed to be safe or whatever, but this chemical alone is like very harmful if you inhale it or if it absorbs through your skin into your blood. It can have very bad side effects. But like I said, usually in cosmetics and stuff like that, it has to be under 2% and it claims to be totally safe. I don't prefer it, but I can't find a concealer that doesn't have it. So I'm really hoping that Keeping It Natural comes out with concealers and stuff very soon. If not, I plan on making my own anyway and playing with it and stuff like that. So right now I am just using this. I got this one from Whole Foods, and when I got it I thought that it would be perfect. I got this and 2 other items from this brand without reading the ingredients like an idiot. And yeah, while it is like a nice creamy texture consistency, I don't think that it is the most natural. You know what I mean? There's other natural preservatives that you can use if you really feel the need to. However, if you don't mind it, I do think this is a good concealer. I would try it out. It leaves your skin very nice and soft. It's so creamy, and yeah. It says on here that it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, artificial color-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and hypoallergenic-free. And I got this shade Warm. And I always put my stuff back in the box. I don't know why. I'm just OCD like that. Alright, so I went ahead and I just set my face. I don't have like a natural setting powder right now. I have this here. This is from Wonder Beauty. This here says that it is formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. So that's the only reason why I'm using it, because it's vegan, which normally means that it does have like good ingredients in here. Although when I did look up the ingredients, they do contain silicones, and I'm not too sure if it contains that other ingredient that I was talking about, I'll have it right here because I cannot say that for the life of me. But I just want something in my, as like a transition. So I'm going to be using this. And again, please let me know if you know of any like very good kind of like mineral eyeshadows, I guess. Something that is super natural, something that doesn't have any preservatives or chemicals or anything that's bad for the skin. Something that is non-cosmetogenic. I would very much appreciate it. I'm sorry if I said that word wrong. But I'm just using this for right now because this is like one of the most natural eyeshadow palettes that I had or have at the moment. So again, if you know anything that I should try, please let me know in the comments below. I would be very interested in trying things out. Like I said, I know Mineral Fusion is sold there at Whole Foods, and every single time I do go, I try to buy at least one cosmetic there because I mean, like, that shit is not cheap. And yeah, I try to buy at least one cosmetic there. I do know that they sell Pacifica, but some of the Pacifica stuff, it has like glycerin and coconut oil, which isn't good for sensitive skin. It actually can break you out. If you didn't know that and you are breaking out because you're using coconut oil, try not using it and that might help you out a little bit. So I'm really going to diffuse this. I want like really like a nice soft kind of crease eyeshadow look because I just want like to look very fresh today. I don't want to look any like super shimmery or super like dramatic or grungy like I usually do. I'm going to be using Naked Pink, and this one here is from Keeping It Natural. All the tints that you see me use here are from Keeping It Natural, and this one is like a really nice like subtle pinky tone, but since I'm more warm and olive tone, it's a perfect highlight for me. So that's what I'm going to be using it for today. I'm just getting it like right here underneath the eyebrows too for like a little bit of highlight as well. And I think that looks good. I have like a nice glow. Can you see that? I really hope you can. It's like really nice and subtle. So the next thing we are going to be doing is a blush, and I'm going to be using the shade Ruby. This is the one that I was talking about, how it like gives you a really nice like pout and makes your lips look really nice and plump. But since I'm going to be using a different shade today, I'm going to use this one as a blush. And whenever I used this last time as a blush, when I did the swatches, it didn't break me out. Like I also said before in that video, I had tried it when I first got it. It didn't break me out either, and they lasted a good time. You can definitely build this up as much as you want to. I want to keep it quite light. If you follow me, you guys know that I'm not really a heavy blush person. But I do like to add a little bit of color. I feel like it gives me like youthful looking cheeks and it makes me seem like I'm glowing from within. It just really helps, and I mean, blush is very complimentary. So I'm going to add a bronzer. I don't have a natural bronzer, unfortunately. Again, leave any recommendations for me in the comments below, and I will definitely go ahead and check that out for you guys, and maybe I can do like a whole entire like review video for you guys so you can see if you want to try it out for yourself. So please let me know in the comments below. Also, do you guys know of like a natural setting spray? I've been using rose water, and I think that's been working very nicely, but yeah. So I don't have a natural lip liner either, so I'm going to be using this one. The only cosmetics that I know that sells natural lip liner is also Mineral Fusion, but like I said, not all of their ingredients are natural, so that's weird. And yeah, so that's pretty weird. I wanted to use cinnamon today, but I feel like it's going to be a little bit like dramatic for today's look, so I'm just going to like use patting motions. Super pretty. It's also weird because I didn't finish my eyes and just went straight to the lips. I don't normally do that. It's a little off today. So I'm going to use the Brown Creamy Cake mascara, and we are going to use it as a eyeliner. You saw me swatch it in the last video, so we are going to just use this as a eyeliner. I'm just going to take like a drop of water, put it on the lid, and we will be using a small little eyeliner brush to create this eyeliner. Just getting my brush wet, and then we're going to go into the product and kind of like create the texture that I'm looking for. I think that looks good. I really do like it, and then I always just like wipe off any extra product onto the makeup oil just so that it doesn't get all crunchy on the brush, and it's also very helpful when I do clean my brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. And for mascara, should I use the brown? I'm going to play with the brown and see how that goes. Let's do that. So I do know that the black is super pigmented, and since I'm going with like a nice, like natural kind of vibe, we're going to stick with the brown. And work this into the lashes. So I'm using like your typical spoolie for this, but if you have a favorite mascara wand, like the Benefit mascara or any other kind of wand that you really favor, feel free to use that. Since I don't have any that are clean, I'm just using this one because I want to be like a fair judge. I don't want to use a mascara wand that's already dirty. But I will say that this is actually coating my lashes very nicely. Okay, so I think the mascara is definitely very natural. I love the brown one, and I think the black one can be used to like build up if you would like, or you can just use a plain black one if you prefer. I really do like it. It's super pigmented. I mean, like, look at that pigment. Again, I recommend getting a spoolie that has either like a cap on it or just using like an old mascara that is your favorite and just cleaning it out and using that, just because the little wand can kind of get messy and like get imprinted on everything. So just keep that in mind. But I do, again, I feel like it dried down very nicely, and I feel like it's going to stick. I will leave any editing notes in the video, but I think that's it, guys. I think that's pretty much it. Super natural, super easy. I feel like this is very travel friendly. You can put this in your bag, in your makeup bag, or anything like that. I really like it. I mean, like, look how compact these are. I wanted to create like a super natural and easy makeup look, and I feel like I did that today. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I really do like it a lot. I feel like I just look very glowy and youthful and just honestly kind of stunning. Not conceited or anything. Obviously, this video isn't sponsored. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. It's not sponsored at all whatsoever. I wanted to do this video just out of the kindness of my heart. I will have the Etsy shop listed in the description box, as well as the coupon code. I believe I have one. I'm pretty sure I have one. So if you want to try anything out, definitely feel free to go ahead and check that out. But I like it a lot. I really do. And the good thing about these is, since these are all made with like moisturizing ingredients as well, everything will be moisturized. So your lashes, your lips, your face, everything. So let me know in the comments below any makeup that you recommend, and I would definitely try them out and do a video for you guys, so you can see if you want to try them out yourself. But let me know in the comments below if you liked it, what you liked about it, what items you liked, and what you think that you might go ahead and try out. I will leave the Etsy shop in the description box for you guys, as well as a list of all of the products that I used on my face today if you want to go ahead and try to recreate this look. So with that being said, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell button. I would appreciate it so much. And follow me on my social media if you want to see updates and pictures of how things look and wore, my opinions and stuff like that live. Definitely follow me there. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.